Hello everybody, welcome back to Science Academy. So in today's video we will discuss about the space quantization. Okay, in the previous lecture I have told about the Larmor precision. Okay, so space quantization is directly related to the Larmor equation, Larmor precision. So we have read that when an atom is placed in an external magnetic field B, the electron orbit precedes about the field direction as an axis, and this is called what? The Larmor precision. Okay, so here the electronic orbit precedes around the magnetic field with the field direction as an axis. Clear? So here you can see that this is the magnetic field direction B, and this is the magnetic field direction B, and this is the angular momentum, orbital angular momentum vector L, and the theta is made between the theta is the angle between L and B. Okay, so here what happens, the electron orbital angular momentum vector L, okay, this L traces a conical, that is they traces a cone around the B, such that there is a theta, theta is the angle between L and B, it remains constant, that for every single precision or every single rotation, okay, the theta value remains constant, and due to the conical shape. Okay, so here if the magnetic field B is along the z axis, okay, this is the z axis, and if the magnetic field B is along the z axis, then the component of L is parallel to the field is. Okay, so here there are two components of L, that is one is parallel to B and other is making some angle, okay, theta. So the parallel component we call it as Lz. So Lz equals to what? Lz equals to L cos theta. So from this cos theta equals to what? L by Lz. Sure. Then we will write the value of L and Lz, because both L and Lz are quantized. So L equals to root over of L into L plus 1 h cross, and Lz equals to, that is z component of L, ml h cross. Okay, where h cross equals to h by 2 pi. You know it. Now here the small l is called orbital quantum number, and ml is called the magnetic quantum number, and we find the value of cos theta. Okay, cos theta equals to L upon Lz. Putting the values of L and Lz, we get that cos theta equals to ml divided by L into L plus 1 root over. Okay, this is the value of cos theta. So the angle here, the angle is the theta, that is between L, and the z axis is determined by the quantum number L and ml. Okay, so here from this the value of ml equals to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, like plus or minus L, that is there are total 2L plus 1 values of ml. Okay, very important, 2L plus 1 values of ml. Now if that is we can say that if theta is the angle, okay, so here theta can assume to be 2L plus 1 discrete values. Okay, the theta have 2L plus 1 discrete values, or in other manner we can say that the angular momentum vector L, okay, angular momentum vector L can have 2L plus 1 discrete orientations. Okay, we can say that the angular momentum vector L can have 2L plus 1 orientation, because I have said that this is not the single one precision that L makes, okay, by the electronic orbit. This is one of them, okay, with angle theta, and suppose there is in the first evolution of electronic orbit, the electronic orbit precedes around the field with theta value. Suppose I have taken theta value 30 degree, then in the second rotation the theta value may be 35, 60, depends upon the value. We can write the quantization of the orbital angular momentum vector, that is L, is corresponding to L equals to 2. Here I have shown you the quantization of angular momentum vector L, and where the orbital angular momentum or orbital quantum number L equals to 2. L equals to 2 means we can say that this is a piece of cell. Okay, so this quantization of the orientation of the atom in the space, this is called the space quantization. Okay, this is very important. So the quantization of the orientation of the atoms. Okay, the atoms that oriented in the magnetic field in the space, okay, where there is a magnetic field, then this is called the space quantization, where 2l plus 1 type of discrete quantizations takes place. Okay, so here mathematically for L equals to 2 we can put the value of L. So the value of L, I have seen you that L equals to here root over of L into L plus 1. So putting this we get L equals to 6 root 6 h cross. Okay, similarly the value of ml equals to, okay, we know that the value of ml equals to minus L2 plus L. So here for 2, that is minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, so corresponding to this ml, the value of Lz equals to, because Lz equals to ml h cross, so this value equals to minus 2 h cross, minus h cross, 0 plus h cross and plus 2 h cross. Okay, so putting this value of L and Lz in the cos theta value, then cos theta equals to ml by root over L into L plus 1. Here important one is to notice that ml is always smaller than that of root over of L into L plus 1. Okay, so putting this value we get various values of cos theta, that is 2 by root 6, 1 by root 6, 0, minus 1 by root 6 and 2 by root 6, and the corresponding angles, okay, the corresponding values are 0.8165, 0.4082, 0, like this, and the corresponding angles theta equals to cos inverse of this value, okay, I get theta equals to 35 degree for L equals to minus 2, theta equals to 66 degree for L equals to minus 1. Similarly, I have reversed this, plus 2 plus 1 0, L equals to minus 1, L equals to minus 2, like this. Okay, these are the various values of theta. Now we will introduce these quantizations in the space. Okay, so this diagram, suppose this is the magnetic field direction axis, okay, B, and here this is the L. So if you just imagine with the value with okay, I have the diagram drawn, the twos are equally same. Okay, that is here L makes some angle L, theta, like this. Here also the L makes some angle theta with B. Here various angles, like you can see that this line, okay, for which ml equals to 0, here the theta value equals to 90 degree perpendicular. Similarly for ml equals to 1, theta value equals to 35 degree. I have shown you theta value equals to 35 degree. So for ml equals to 2, theta equals to 66 degree. Similarly in the reverse direction, that is theta value 114 degree and 145 degree for ml value equals to minus 1 and minus 2 respectively. So the space quantization takes place in this way. Okay, this is very important, and this is I have done for L equals to 2. You can do for different values of L. Okay, suppose here I have to show that L equals to 2, so 2L plus 1 equals to 2 into 2 plus 1, that is equals to 5 orientations. So I have shown you the 5 orientation, like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can take various values of L, like if you take L equals to 3, then there are total 7 orientations like this. So this is all about the space quantization.